Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Inverse Teleportation achievement. First, ensure you understand the specific conditions for this unique feat. Gather any required items or abilities your character might need. Then, find a reliable teleportation device within the game world. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth attempt at earning the achievement, setting you up for success. Once prepared, activate your teleportation device. The key here is not just to teleport, but to do so under specific circumstances. Pay close attention to your character's orientation and the environment immediately before and after the jump. A standard teleport will not grant the achievement, so precision is paramount for the next step. To achieve the inverse effect, you must trigger a teleport while a specific condition is met, often involving a reversal of your expected destination or orientation. This usually means teleporting while facing away from your target, or perhaps while moving backward. Precise timing and positioning are critical to fulfill this unique requirement and earn the achievement. If your initial attempts don't succeed, don't worry. Practice the timing and subtle movements required. Sometimes, a slight adjustment to your character's position or the angle of activation makes all the difference. Remember, specific game mechanics can vary, so consulting community guides for your particular game can provide invaluable, detailed insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.